Ever wondered why outdoor solar lights sometimes lose their luster? It's a common question that many homeowners grapple with. So today, delve into the world of outdoor solar lights and unravel some of the most common problems they present, along with their solutions. First on the list is the issue of dimming lights. It's not uncommon for outdoor solar lights to become less bright over time. This often happens when the solar panel gets dirty or is not getting enough sunlight. The remedy? Clean the solar panel regularly with a damp cloth to remove any dust or dirt. Also, ensure the solar panel is in a location where it receives ample sunlight throughout the day. The second problem that often pops up is lights not turning on at all. This could be due to a faulty sensor or a depleted battery. To solve this, try resetting the light sensor. If that doesn't work, replacing the battery might be the next step. Thirdly, there's the issue of lights not holding their charge. This is usually a sign of a worn-out battery, especially if the lights have been in use for a long time. Replace the battery and see if that resolves the problem. Lastly, lights that turn on and off randomly can be a nuisance. This is often a sign of a faulty light sensor. The light sensor might be getting triggered by other light sources or heat. To fix this, try moving the light to a different location, away from other light sources. If the problem persists, consider replacing the sensor. In conclusion, there are 4 common problems that outdoor solar lights often present: dimming lights, lights not turning on at all, lights not holding their charge, and lights turning on and off randomly. Luckily, all these problems have simple solutions that you can do yourself. Cleaning the solar panel regularly, ensuring it gets enough sunlight, resetting or replacing the light sensor, and replacing the battery are all ways to troubleshoot these issues. Remember, outdoor solar lights are an eco-friendly and cost-effective way to light up your outdoor space. So don't let these common problems deter you from enjoying their benefits. With these troubleshooting tips, you'll be able to keep your outdoor solar lights shining bright.